living in the city but dreaming of a garden. Guess what? You don't need a huge backyard to grow your own food. Your balcony, windowsill, or even a tiny patio can become your personal green oasis. Let's talk about turning that small space into a productive vegetable garden. For beginners, start with easy-to-grow plants like lettuce, herbs, or cherry tomatoes. They don't need much room and are super rewarding. Got limited floor space? Think vertical. Vertical gardening is a game changer for urban gardeners. You can use hanging baskets, tiered planters, or wall-mounted pockets to maximize your growing area. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony to pick fresh ingredients for your dinner. It's totally possible, and I'm here to show you how. Ready to start your own urban farm? Follow for more tips and tricks on small space food growing. Let's get our hands dirty together. Thanks for watching.